There's that pointy tip. There's none on the other side. I had absolutely no time to clean this toilet, but I'm glad I could show you a flushing demonstration. I'm just going to throw in some toilet paper. Before the first two flushes, they were on flushing just a little bit of water. So maybe it was 1.6 gallons per flush, I don't know. The water line is way higher. So I'm gonna this time just give it a whole flush and see how it runs on its original water line flush. Now it's at the water line. Okay. Put back on the tank lid, and I'm going to hold down the lever. So this is the final flush of this Canadian Crane, 1963, from what I remember checking. Having a chance to clean it out. I really don't have any personal time these days. I'm not sure what I'm going to get to do anymore. So that's kind of weak. This one definitely needs cleaning out. Just the shockway is not as clear. Okay, that's it. Underneath the 1963 crane, hopefully I get better lighting. It's quite white under there. I'm not sure. I don't see really any other things underneath. Some lines there. Yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. Here's my other stuff hidden.